Grand rising to you, great awakening to you. And of course, I'm so glad that you are here with me on today. You know, I am just waking up this today, and it has been a very adventurous week for me because it was my birthday. So I'm still kind of celebrating. I'm still celebrating. But I wanted you to know how extremely proud I am of you because for a lot of us, we got back up. We were able to get our footing. We were able to hold on to our faith, hold on to our belief, hold on to God. And we were able to invade the enemy's territory and take back everything that he thought he stole from us. And some of us are still in pursuit of take back. You have really taken on the posture of, I'm taking it back. I want you to know because you woke up today that the devil is shaking in his boots, trying to come up with anything that he can try to do to just mess with you because what he has been trying ain't working and they ain't seen nothing yet. Oh, come on, somebody. I just feel it so much in my soul. They ain't seen nothing yet because you have invaded the enemy's territory and you taking it all back. Not nicely, not gently, not just, oh, by the way, I mean forcefully taking it back. Just like your father. Come on. In heavenly places. They ain't seen nothing yet. I want you to type that off in the comments. They ain't seen nothing yet. The person that they left, the person they disrespected, the person that they used, abused, talked about, and all of these superficial things that meant nothing. It was only to just help you wake up to who you really are for real. That right there, that energy, that spirit, that frequency ain't seen nothing yet. Because when the chosen one awakens, the earth shakes. Come on, somebody. The earth shakes. Things are going on in the environment and it's crazy and it's going on because you have begun to take your place in the earth. See, everybody expects greatness from people who've always had it easy. But there's something terrifying about a person who has suffered and survived anyway. They saw you cry. What they missed was the moment you stopped needing approval from anybody. They saw you get overlooked. What they missed was the moment rejection stopped intimidating you. It doesn't matter. They saw you lose people. What they missed was the moment that loneliness taught you how powerful your own company could be. Do you know how powerful that is? Just resting in the arms of the Almighty, His Spirit around you, and you cool in your own company? Because they ain't seen, come on somebody today, nothing yet. See, they think your strength is in what you've accomplished. And that's cute, but it's not. Your strength is that life hit you where it hurt you. And you're still kind. You're still loving. You're still believing. You're still getting back up. That is dangerous for somebody, for some spirit that wanted to literally end you. But you still rise. Because once a person discovers they can survive heartbreak, betrayal, disappointment, abandonment, and failure, then they stop being controlled by the fear of losing. And a person who is no longer afraid of losing is nearly impossible to stop. Impossible to stop. Because see, that spiritual invasion, baby, is coming from somebody that the earth ain't ever seen before. See, that's the version of you they haven't seen yet. The version that isn't chasing, isn't proving, isn't explaining. You ain't auditioning. That version that walks into a room carrying peace instead of pressure. The version that understands I don't need everyone to choose me when I've already chosen myself. Because some people are waiting for your next mistake or your next failure, but God is waiting for your next step. And some people are studying your scars, and God is revealing your strength. Some people think your best days are behind you because they only knew the version of you that was wounded. But healing changes people. Grief changes people. Growth changes people. And sometimes the most powerful thing you'll ever become is someone who no longer needs to convince anyone of anything, of your value or any of that. That's what they ain't seen yet. See, it's that quiet person in the corner that ain't saying nothing. The person that going on about their business. The person that has that quiet confidence, that healed heart, that unshakable faith and spirit. The version of you that finally understands I was never falling apart, baby. I was becoming and I was coming together. And I want you to know today, the fact that you woke up this morning with a smile on your face and just a little pinch of faith. Sprinkle that all in your spirit. Because let the devil know, baby, that they ain't seen nothing yet. Have a good day. I love you all. And remember this too. I still believe in you. And thank you so much for the beautiful birthday wishes. Have a great day. Bye.